So briefly, this is the lid that comes with the totes, and you just remove the existing threaded cap out of the center. And I went down and I found a 2-inch threaded nipple that fit into the existing threads of the lid. And I'll go back and I'll use Teflon tape on all of this. And this actually has a rubber gasket in it.
Excellent.
And this one's pretty dirty. It's going to have to be taken out and cleaned up and everything. But I just Teflon this, and then this piece is an interesting piece. It's like a funnel. Yeah, it is a reducer. Well, hard to say. Anyways, it fits into this 2-inch, and it's a reducer. It just tapers down on the inside, and it has threads coming up the bottom. I use just this, what is this, 1 inch or 3/4 inch? 3/4 inch. This is from a sprinkler system, and it fits into this side real well. So I use Teflon on all of these, and I'll thread it all together with Teflon. And you can glue that in. I just plugged mine in, snugged it up tight. It leaked for a little while, and then it sealed up, and no problems. The tricky part comes on this end, how we're going to get to actually build the siphon. The most important part is going to be how we get this to work. The problem is, on these reducers, the thread is actually tapered in thinner. Alright, so even though I can screw this in on this side, I'm unable to get them to screw it in on this side because it's tapered. So that's where I ran into the problem. That's where I had to get creative. The creative part comes with this piece. And I actually got this from the electrical aisle. All I'm looking for is this. Because another interesting part about what makes this bell siphon work is everybody that I've seen build these, they have an actual reducer in your drain pipe as well. This is a reducer, sure, but this isn't going to reduce what we want reduced. We want the actual water flow to start off wide and then reduce so it builds a siphon better. However, we're going to cut this off, and I'm going to use some putty to glue it in here. Yeah, well, it's an underwater epoxy. It's a non-toxic underwater epoxy. I've got it in my shop. I'll show you when we get ready to glue it. But I'll cut this off at whatever depth I want, and I'll glue it in here. It'll actually be glued right perfectly in there, and do some eyeballing to make sure that it's straight up and down. And once we get that, let it dry. Build our cap as well. I've got a piece of extension that I'll put on this and show you how to break the siphon and get it to flow through. I actually use a chop box where I'm going to actually I'll take the is this 1.5. I'm going to take the piece of 1.5 PVC and I'm going to cut grooves in it with the chop box with the miter saw or whatever, and I'll cut enough grooves in it so that it'll break a good siphon. I tried drilling holes in it to break it. Holes have to be really big, and it's kind of difficult, and you get a lot of chipping and other crap that's problematic. So I found that just using the saw, you bring it down and cut tons of little grooves in it, and it'll bend it out just perfect so when it gets down. You know what? Let me get my other one. Here's the existing bell siphon, and it'll fit down inside of that perfectly. You know, this will all be. You'll have your drain pipe coming up out of this, and this will sit down on top of it, and it'll get down to this level. Once it gets there, boom, break the siphon.
It takes it all the way out.
Yeah. Drains it all the way down. There's a little bit of water left in the deep ends of your tank, but you know, that's just what I get out of it. You know, I thought about drilling some weep holes to help drain that stuff out. But really, I mean, the water is circulating in there, and it's raising and going down. You're cycling your water good enough, I think. I haven't had any problems. And I mean, you can see that's nutrients, baby.
Yeah.
So that's,
So you got all your fish in there? And
yeah,
you're
good.
doing well?
Living, kicking butt, man. You wanna come check it out?
Yeah.
Sort of dry like that, you know? That's the important part of the whole deal, though, right there, man. You know, that's well, no, just the whole part itself, you know.
You have to have a fast enough pump. From what I was reading.